Our Discord has alerted 32 plays over the last 2 weeks, and only 4 of them have been losses. We send out the charts daily that we use to trade, and we also caught the top today for CPI. We alerted shorts at 45.44. You can see our top was 45.44.75. The reason we entered, we sent out the chart. You can see cap for the day, 45.44.50. And if you're saying we made this afterwards, you can see here the chart was sent out way before we were up there, about 30 minutes before. And you can see, even while we're recording this video, we are currently bouncing off the bottom of our yellow box, which is another strategy we also teach in the Discord. So if you want to join a Discord, again, 32 plays, only 4 losses, and these aren't small wins. These are, you can see, 36 ticks, 37 ticks, 195%, 47%, 60%, 40 ticks, 22 ticks, 32 ticks. And then you can see the losses here. We had 32 ticks and minus 16 ticks. Then we also made 32 ticks, 42 ticks, 52% on the QQQ, and 79% on SPY. Just non-stop wins, so if you want to join, come check us out.